is the haunting mating call of the humpback whale. Very good, Carl. A hot dog holder?
Actually, the hot dog holder, it not only holds hot dogs, it is also a stylish hat. A butterfly with fat wings. And as quickly as you see it right before your very eyes, it's gone. Ooh, 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 ooh. What happened to the hot dog? William Shakespeare.
That might be just a little strong for you, Carl.
That's not right for yonder rainbow night. It is the east and Julia is the sun. See how she leans a cheek upon the hand. Oh, the iron glove upon the hand. I like touch that cheek.
Hey, Jimmy, I found a cool video game starring a thin green guy and his friend Mr. Bleep Bleep.
That's
Task Manager Rule 34.
Carl.
Oh, well, my mom doesn't let us have...
Task Manager Rule 34.
That is the lamest thing I've ever heard. What dunderhead would want to talk to a bunch of stupid fish?
Give me that.
Do you like these balls? They are red and they are blue. Personally, I like the blue one better. It is squishier.
My plan's better than yours. It's not. It's so. It's so. 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 It's not. It's so.
Thank you, Winifred. This is my revolutionary voltage pondalizer. I converted the Hoskababits to the Fluts by putting it through the Hooble Boobler.
What's the square root of a flexnard, huh?
That doesn't make any sense.
The square root of a flexnard is a cup full of boogers. Okay, well, I better apply more sunblock. Oh, look, it's SPF 50. Says for fair to albino skin. This is the lair of the Carl clan. Pretty sweet, huh? This weather is perfect for big-boned people like me.
Oh, you don't know what Carlson is? Carlson is just a little game Danny is working on. That's currently almost the first most wishlisted game on Steam. Go wishlist it right now if you want other games like Crap Game and Muck to be played, or pop up in your recommended for Steam games. I'm not really much of a Steam guy.
And soon, the hunters will move on. Then, we of the Carl clan will emerge from our long sleep, and the land will belong to the hefty! That's why I'm bulking up on carbs, because I'll have to feed off the extra weight until the spring. And when I emerge, I will be fit, strong, and my sunburn will be gone. I'm just not sweating.
Oh, come on, Carl, you can do it. The whole town's depending on you. You'll be a hero.
Really? Okay. Whew. Does anyone have a scented towelette?
Carl, why are you talking like that?
Please refer all inquiries to the image consultant.
Yes. No.
Oh, that's right. Big calendar shoot coming up.
Girl shade! I'm floating. The light. Yes. Move toward the light. Extreme dislike of girls who dislike boys who dislike girls who dislike show-offy boys who dislike...
Too confusing! Store that one away!
Wow. Usually when I get on these kind of rides, I get real sick.